Hundreds of children have been evacuated from the danger zone at Pilbara.
Nearly a year of civil war.
They have said goodbye to homes and mothers and fathers.
We hope the remembrance of the past will soon be only a dim memory, for Britain has always been a safe home for exiles.
They remember me.
This is the price of war. But nothing can replace what they have lost.
We remember.
They may never see their mothers and fathers again.